Welcome back. All right, let's go ahead and let's design this app here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop into this and I'm going to move this down a bit. First things first, I'm going to add in a label. Okay, and if you just click enter, it will actually add in this label to the screen here. But for some reason, it made it entire length and width of the screen. So what I'm going to do is just going to add in a label manually. And we'll make this something like 70. Okay, that's probably too big. But this is going to be the question. So it's going to be 0 times 0 equals question mark. Okay, and we could probably make this a bit bigger. Okay, don't worry, I'm actually going to, yeah, there we go, something more like that. And we also want to center it. Not bad, we'll make everything like that here. And if we change the font later, we might have to redo it here. That's not the point of this step. The point of this step is to set everything up. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to call this total correct, and we're going to add in keep track of the total correct here. And we'll make this maybe 40. Yeah, that's probably good. And we'll center this as well as we'll make it bigger, just like that. Drag the Alt option down to copy it, and we're going to call this correct, incorrect, and there we go. Now we need to add in a few more buttons, and let's say button here, as we'll add in a button, just like that, and there we go. And we're going to add in, and we're going to call this answer 0. And we're going to copy this once, twice, and then 3 times. Okay. And we might as well make all of these center, like that. And there we go. And we'll make sure that this is moved up here. We need to change this to answer 1. And we're starting at 0 because computers like zero-based counting, where they start at 0 instead of 1. So instead of going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, this concludes the tutorial.